How organized are you? Some people are, some people aren't. If you're one of the latter, you'll know all about the stressful situations which come with day-to-day uni life. But with Utility app, you always stay organized. Today's world is all about mobiles and how our phones are a necessity to us. Mobile applications have revolutionized the way we interact with our smartphones. Utility hopes to extend that to its customers as they experience the convenience of the app like no other. Apps are very user-friendly and almost an essential part of our daily lives as we try to plan. Hi, I'm Matt and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Utility. My role is to oversee the entire project as the leader and work closely with my team to formulate the best strategies to achieve our objectives.
Hi, I'm Lewes and I'm the Head of Marketing and Finance. My role as the Head of Marketing is to communicate with our key partners, advertisers and our customers to make sure that our app is designed to suit their needs. As the Head of Finance, I'll be managing the cost structures and revenue streams to ensure that we have the funding necessary to sustainably develop Utility.
Hi, I'm Grant and I'm the Head of Technology. My role is to oversee the development of the application and work with the programmers to ensure the app is able to meet all the objectives. I'll be responsible for all the aspects of the application, such as the user interface design for its aesthetics, as well as performance optimization to ensure the app runs smoothly by managing servers and databases.
So here's what the app will look like. As you launch the app, you'll be taken to the main menu screen. This will display all the functions of the app via the icons, as well as some advertising space for potential advertisers to purchase. If we click on the calendar option, we'll be taken to one of the main features of the app, the calendar. It is automatically generated based on the courses and will show all due dates of assessments. For each assessment, users are able to set a notification on how many days before it is due to notify them. There will also be extracurricular activity support for societies and the ability to merge calendars with friends to see when you're both free.
Another attractive feature of Utility is the mark recorder. It allows for easy recording of marks when received and calculates the weighted mark based on the weighting of the assessment. The user is easily able to check their current progress in the course and set goals for the final mark or rank, allowing users to know what they require for the results they desire. There's also the option to add friends and compare and compete with them.
Another section is guides, where the user has quick access to various articles on guides related to studying and other tips to encourage and motivate students. There is also a discussion forum where past students can give general advice to current students and answer other questions. If the students are struggling with the stresses of university, they can utilize the private Talk to a Counselor forum to seek help on how to resolve their issues while still remaining anonymous. The contact details such as emails and consultation times of lecturers in charge, tutors, past leaders and other administrative officers can quickly be found in the Uni Contacts section, creating a centralized and convenient search tool without the need to access Moodle, course outlines and other documents to find contact information. Finally, a feedback section allows users to rate Unity from 1 to 5 on 4 different criteria and also provides a text box where users are free to type their suggestions for the app or to report any bugs and glitches that they have found.
Utility's value proposition mainly lies in providing convenience and functionality for the customer. Currently, many of the processes to stay organized require the student to tediously create their own tools. For example, there is currently no easy way to create a calendar which weaves together 4 courses smoothly. Furthermore, since many courses do not record grades into Moodle long after it's marked, combined with the fact that many exams are collected back, students need to record these marks in a separate document or book. not only increasing the convenience of organizing and planning, Unitility will also create time for its users. By collating all course schedules, marks, and resources into one single depository, students avoid the hassle of searching for course material, which saves time for the student. Time management is extremely important to a student's success, and so this app will facilitate a more effective allocation of time to useful activities, such as dedicating more time to studying, extracurricular activities, leadership activities, or leisure time. Hence, by using Unitility, these processes are made easier by creating time and fostering a more organised study environment. Although Unitility is focused on tertiary students as a whole, its customer base can be segmented into more specific groups. By delivering a product with high personalisation, it will appeal to a broader audience of students undertaking tertiary education. For example, by providing interchangeable themes, colours and font options, and numerous languages other than English, Unitility can reach a wider market of users.
Unitility aims to reach its customers through its simplistic yet convenient design of the app. Its main channels are Google Play and the iTunes Store. Regular contact with these stores and its development team are essential in the growth of the app as it decides the direction of the app and how to approach a certain market niche. This strengthens the customer intimacy with the app as the users dictate the direction of the app. To grow and retain our customer base, initially, the university can hand out flyers that advertise the use of the app. Word of mouth will also grow the app, as well as students can find out the app through other students, as they look to compare results and compete with each other, or find out if their friends are free on that date through merging calendars. Other ways students can find out about the app include social media and through internet mediums such as Moodle or the Unis.w email that are regularly accessed by the students. We will add a question in the registration forms asking the customers how they found about the app to assist in identifying the most effective way to grow our customer base. To retain our customers, Unitility hopes to maintain a high-quality product that will serve the needs of our customers. All feedback and suggestions on the app will be read by the moderators who will fix any problems and thus keep the users content with the app. This will generate high ratings within the App Store and encourage more users to download the app after seeing such high ratings and reviews. Thus, components of customer relations, such as the skills and attitudes of the employer and the relationships, organizational change and development of organizational structure will help maintain the customer and supplier intimacy.
Key activities include updating the auto calendar generation and mark recorder at the start of every semester. At the release of the app, an employee will be assigned the role of going through the course outlines to extract the key dates and the weightings for all the assessments. However, as many large institutions such as University of New South Wales have thousands of courses, this activity is impractical for one person to complete and will require weeks of tedious work before the app launches. Therefore, to allow Unitility to remain sustainable, proceeding semesters will either require faculties to manually add the key dates and weightings to their courses or require the first user who adds the course to manually add the key dates and weightings for that course. A report button will be issued for all courses for customers to report any errors, allowing the moderators to easily fix them. Another key activity is the regular maintenance of the service and updating the app to meet all possibilities. Courses, as we know, are complex in nature, so there will be a need for regular updates to incorporate features that were missing in the initial release. As the user base is also expected to be high and will spike during the start of each semester and also close to assessment due dates, exams, etc., the service may experience high loads which can lead to long downtimes if not quickly addressed. Security is also an issue for utmost importance since the database contains the login information of thousands of marks. Regular updates of security will be released to ensure that all the information will not be compromised. App stores such as Google Play and iTunes are key partners as they are the channel which the app will be accessed on. Regular contact with the app stores will be required to ensure the utility is optimized for usage on all platforms. App stores are also a good marketing medium, such as the top 100 education apps on iTunes list, so effort will be taken to maximize exposure. Advertisers who wish to use the advertising space are also key partners, as they help with providing a revenue stream necessary to maintain the app. Finally, the universities with utility services will also form the key partners, as they provide nearly all the funding and their support is needed to allow the app to thrive. Universities provide a great opportunity for utility to collaborate with, which is crucial for efficiently deepening our understanding of our customer segments. Regular meetings with representatives will be held to discuss the app features and improvements to ensure that utility will continue to meet the best interests of the universities and their students.
Our key resource is the development and programming team, as they perform all the manual steps required in the design, implementation, and maintenance of the app. The software and programming languages associated with the app are a technology and also a resource, as they allow the app to perform tasks. Another key resource would be the uni faculties, as although they are customers, many will be required to provide course information to help set up the app. An automated system that encompasses our app's functions will improve our organization. As our world is slowly integrating technology into our daily lives, information systems are increasingly being used to value businesses. Due to this efficiency within our operations from implementing information systems, we are able to allocate more time to create value for our customers within our business processes.
Raising funds for the app to start up and maintain it is a major challenge, as there will be high maintenance and initial costs. Therefore, the app is reliant through funding through universities, advertisers, and donations from its members. A major risk is security, as databases of student logins and course information will be contained. Since mobile apps have been popular, there's been a great risk of hacking and malware, which can lead to passwords and other details being stolen. Utility will therefore securely encrypt all user information and apply the most stringent security measures to offer the best possible protection. Users will also be notified of any unusual signs. Glitches and bugs pose another major challenge, as they lead to certain functions not working as intended and will need to be quickly addressed. Therefore, we'll always need to debug the application before all updates and respond to all feedback submitted within 24 hours. Raising popularity of this app will also be another major problem, as the success of the app is dependent on the amount of users. As mentioned before, the universities can hand out flyers that advertise the use of this app and assist with its promotion through student mediums such as Moodle and email. Management issues may also arise within the organization if there are differing opinions on the development of the software. They have not realized it can lead to conflicting designs of the application, which may result in challenges in other activities of the organization. Therefore, regular meetings will be held to make sure all members are aware of the objectives. Making the app user-friendly and easy to navigate is another challenge, as the user interface is a major criteria in the functionality of the app, so consultation with the UI designer will be regularly arranged. It is essential to create an app that matches the user's needs and allows for both easy navigation and a positive appearance.
So to sum up, Utility is an ideal app for Connect and other university staff to assist their students in day-to-day uni processes. It facilitates better organization and time allocation through the calendar and mark recorder functions, improves stress management, and provides resources which cater to the mental health of their students.